Can your newborn wear a sleeping bag? As a pediatric sleep consultant, the answer to this, I say, is yes and no. So let me answer this question in two parts. Number one, first of all, your newborn absolutely can wear a sleeping bag. And to follow safe sleep guidelines from the American Academy of Pediatrics, they should only be wearing a sleep sack and no loose blankets. It is the safest way for your little one to sleep, and it really is a fantastic sleep association, but it also is a great way to keep them warm all night long. The second part of this question, where I was saying no, the reason why I say no is because I really like to recommend having newborns swaddled. The reason for that is because newborns have a startle or a Moro reflex. Your newborn feels like they are falling, and that means that their arms and their limbs can startle like this, which then means that it can wake them up. So by swaddling your newborn baby, it helps to keep that Moro reflex at bay, and it holds them, making them feel nice and snug and safe and warm. There are a ton of products on the market that you can get to swaddle your newborn. So here are 3 super quick options. Number 1, you can just use a muslin swaddle blanket. Number 2 is you can have the Ergo Pouch Cocoon Sleep Set. This has a little butterfly cardigan where you have little sleeves on the arms, and then you can take them off, and it's a really great transition into the sleep sack. Another great option is the Love to Dream Swaddle Up. Just as a side note, there's also a couple of options in terms of how you swaddle your baby. So some babies really prefer to have their arms up close to their face, whereas others prefer to have their arms down. To follow safe sleep guidelines, you have to stop swaddling your baby when they show signs of rolling. On average, this would be around 3 to 4 months old. For more newborn sleep tips, I do have a free newborn guide. This really is the best advice that I can share with you for your newborn, and it's all extensively broken down into one PDF download. So if you click on my photo, it will take you to the free sleep resources section, and you can download that straight away to lay down your newborn sleep foundations. I hope this helps. Make sure you follow for more.